So what is quadratic equation? We all know the expression which is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is quadratic polynomial. This we have studied in the chapter polynomial. So ax square plus bx plus c is actually quadratic polynomial. So if we equate it to 0, then it becomes equation. Ax square plus bx plus c is just an expression whose degree is 2, highest power of x is 2, so it is quadratic polynomial. And when we equate it to 0, then it becomes equation. So if it becomes equation, then it will be quadratic equation. But a condition is there. So first condition is a should not be equal to 0. Leading coefficient cannot be equal to 0. If it becomes 0, then equation will become linear. So x square coefficient must be not equal to 0. And second condition is coefficients like a, b, c all belongs to real number. They must be real number. Then this equation is called quadratic equation. Now we can take some example. If I write an equation x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0, is it quadratic? Yes, because we can compare this equation with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, and we can say a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, c is equal to 1. A is coefficient of x square, b is coefficient of x, c is constant part only. So in this example, a, b, c all are 1. If I write x square minus 5 equal to 0, this is quadratic equation. Yes, because since there is b equal to 0, means coefficient of x is not there, so that is not a problem. Coefficient of x square is 1, x square term is there, a is not equal to 0, that is coefficient of x square, means it is quadratic equation. If I write 2x square plus 7x equal to 0, is this quadratic? Yes, this is also quadratic equation, because a is not equal to 0, coefficient of x square is there, there is no constant part, so that is not a problem. This is also a quadratic equation. So if I write 7x minus x square plus 5 equal to 0, is this quadratic? Yes, because there is x square term of x square is there. We can write it, we can rearrange it like this, so that it can be compared with ax square plus bx plus c. So this is also quadratic equation. So these equation, how to solve this equation, this we have to study in this chapter. And what is the meaning of solution of quadratic equation? So meaning of solution is the value of x which satisfies the quadratic equation, means value of x for which LHS equal to RHS, or value of x for which this polynomial becomes equal to 0, is actually solution of quadratic equation. So how to solve them, this we will study further.